Hello students, we are doing chapter number 4 factorization and today we will start exercise 4.5. In this exercise you will learn factorization with the help of these two identities. First identity is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and second identity is a cube minus b cube which is equal to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So we will use these two formulas in this exercise. We will start exercise. First question, first part, we have 8x cube plus y cube. So first we will change it into the a cube plus b cube form. 8 we can write as 2 cube and together we will write it as 2x whole cube plus y cube. Now this 2x is a and y is b. We can apply this side. So a plus b means 2x plus y. Right side, this another bracket, a square means 2x whole square minus ab 2x into y plus b square means y square. So answer will be 2x plus y. It will become 4x square. This we can write minus 2xy plus y square. In second part, 64x cube minus 125y cube. So first we will change into the cube form. 64 we can write 4 cube and this we will write 4x whole cube. 125 is 5 cube. This we can write 5y whole cube. Now a cube minus b cube. This second formula we will use here. This will be equal to a minus b 4x minus 5y, then a square 4x whole square plus ab 4x into 5y, then 5y square. Little more we can simplify, 4x minus 5y and this will be 16x square, 4 into 5 20xy and 5 square 5y whole square means 25y square. Second question, first part, 64x cube plus 1. 64 we can write as 4x whole cube and 1 we can write as 1 cube. Again apply the formula, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, then a square plus minus ab 4x, then plus b square 1 square. So we will get 4x plus 1, 16x square minus 4x plus 1. In second part, 7a cube plus 56b cube. So here 7 is not a perfect cube. It means we have to take here something common, 7 and 56. If you see 7 we can take out common. Here we will get a cube and 7 8s are 56, 8b cube. Now 8 is a perfect cube. We can write it as a cube plus 2b whole cube and we will apply formula now. 7 a plus b, a plus 2b, then a square minus this into this 2ab plus b square means 2b whole square. 7a plus 2b, here we will get a square minus 2ab plus 4b square. Third question, first part, x to the power 6 by 343 plus 343 by x to the power 6. This we can write as x square by 7 whole cube. And this side we can write 7 by x square whole cube. Now it has changed into a cube plus b cube. We can apply formula. A plus b means x square plus by 7 plus 7 by x square. Then a square means x to the power 4 by 49 minus a into b, x square by 7 into 7 by x square plus b square 49 by x to the power 4. In this middle term you can see this x square and 7 we can cancel out. So we will get here only 1. So answer will be x square by 7 plus 7 by x square Here x square by 49 minus 1 plus 49 by x to the power 4, 49 by x to the power 4. In the second part, 8x we can write as 2x whole cube, and this we can write 1 by 3y whole cube. So this whole thing we have to treat as a, and this we have to treat as b. A cube minus b cube. Now we will apply formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b. 2x minus 1 by 3y. Then a square means 2x whole square plus ab 2x into 1 by 3y and plus b square 1 by 3y whole square. Little more we can simplify. This we can write as 4x square, this 2 by 3x by y, and this is 1 by 9y square. Next we have fourth question, first part, x square plus x to the power 5. So here we can take x square as common. After taking common we will get 1 plus x cube. This 1 we can treat as 1 cube, and again we can use here a cube plus b cube formula. So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, 1 plus x, then a square means 1 square minus ab, 1 into x means minus x, plus b square means x square. This will be answer. In the second part, from 32 and 500 we can take 4 as common. From x to the power 4 and x we can take x as common. Then we have 8x to the power 3 minus 125. Now 8x to the power 3 we can write as 2x whole cube, and 125 we can write as 5 cube. We can apply now a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, 2x minus 5, then a square 2x whole square plus ab 2x into 5 and plus b square. We will get 2x minus 5 here, and this one we can write 4x square, 2 into 5 10x, and 5 square is 25. Next we have fifth question, first part, 27x cube y cube minus 8. So 27x cube y cube we can write as 3xy whole cube, and 8 we can write as 2 cube. Now we can apply formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, 3xy minus 2, then a square means 3xy whole square plus ab 3xy into 2, then plus b square means 2 square. So it will be 3xy minus 2. Here we will get 9x square y square, 3 into 2 6xy, and this will be 4. Second part, we have 27x plus y whole cube plus 8 2x minus y whole cube. So this we can write as 3x plus y whole cube, and this we can write as 2x minus y whole cube. This we can multiply inside the bracket. We can write it as 3x plus 3y whole cube, and this we can write as 4x minus 2y whole cube. Now we can apply here formula a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b means 3x plus 3y plus 4x minus 2y. In second bracket, a square means 3x plus 3y whole square minus ab means 3x plus 3y into 4x minus 2y, and plus b square means 4x minus 2y whole square. Now this bracket, and we will open with the help of a plus b whole square formula. These two we will multiply, and here a minus b whole square formula. First bracket we can simplify a little more. 3x plus 4x will become 7x 3y minus 2y will become 1y. Now we will expand this with the help of a plus b whole square, which is equal to a square means 9x square plus b square means 9y square plus 2ab. 2 into 3x into 3y will be 27, not 27, 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 2 18xy. These two we can multiply. 3x into 4x 12x square, 3x into 2y minus 6xy minus 12xy and minus 6y square. Last bracket with a minus b whole square formula. So this will be a square means 16x square plus b square 4y square minus 2ab minus 2 into 4 8 and 8 into 2 16xy. Now everything we will remove. This bracket we will remove inside the bracket. 9x square plus 9y square plus 18xy minus 12x square plus 6xy minus 12xy plus 6y square plus 16x square plus 4y square minus 16xy. Now we will simplify like terms. All x square we will see. 9x square minus 12x square plus 16x square. So 9 minus 12 is minus 3, 60 and plus 16 means 13x square. Now we will see y square. 9y square then 6y square, it will become 15 and 15 plus 4 19 plus 19 y square. Xy 18xy plus 6xy 24xy minus 12xy, then 12 minus 16 means minus 4xy. Sixth question, first part, a cube plus b cube plus a plus b. So first we will apply here formula. This we can write as a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square, and this second one as it is a plus b. Now from here and here a plus b we can take out common, and second bracket we will be having this a square minus ab plus b square, and from here everything we have taken out means plus 1 will be remaining. Same way we will do the second part. Here we will use formula a cube minus b cube. We will get a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. In these last two, minus 1 we can take out common, then a minus b will be there. This a minus b also we can take out common now. Another bracket will be a square plus ab plus b square minus 1. Next, seventh question, first part, x cube plus x plus 2. This question is not in the cube form, but we have to change it. So what we can do, this x cube, this 2 we can write as 1 plus 1. So 1 we will take here and remaining 1 we will write here. So in these two we can apply a cube plus b cube formula. We will get x plus 1, another bracket x square minus x plus 1. And here we have 1 we can take out, x plus 1 will be inside the bracket. Now x plus 1 we can take out common, another bracket will be x square minus x plus 1 and this plus 1. So x plus 1, x square minus x plus 2. This will be answer. Next, seventh second part, a cube minus a minus 120. So here this 120 we can write as minus 125 plus 5. This plus 5 we will take with this a, and 125 we will take with a cube. So a cube minus 125, and then from this and this minus 1 we will take out common, a minus 5 will be inside the bracket. This 125 we can write as 5 cube, and then we will apply here a cube minus b cube formula. It will be a minus b means a minus 5, a square AB 5A and then B square means 5 square, which is equal to 25, minus 1 A minus 5. From these two terms, A minus 5 we can take out common. Another bracket will be A square plus 5A plus 25, and from here we have minus 1. So final answer will be A minus 5, A square plus 5A, 25 minus 1 will be 24. In this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.